In the world of candy manufacturing, innovation is key to meeting growing demand and ensuring product quality. Enter the hard candy depositing production line, a game changer in the confectionery industry. This state-of-the-art technology allows for the precise and efficient production of hard candies, from shipping and molding to cooling and packaging. The depositing process ensures each candy is consistently formed to perfection with enhanced control over size, weight, and design. Whether it as traditional lollipops, fruit drops, or seasonal shapes, these automated lines improve both production speed and product quality while minimizing waste. With features like adjustable speed, multiple mode configurations, and integrated cooling systems, the hard candy depositing line meets the needs of modern production, delivering more candy faster and with greater consistency.